Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cleaning tool that's been making waves in the home care community, the HOTO Wand cordless electric spin scrubber. If you're finding yourself battling tough grime and stubborn stains, stick around as we break down this innovative product. We found this scrubber online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The HOTO Wand is a cordless, rechargeable electric scrubber designed to tackle some of the toughest cleaning jobs in your home. With its unique 360 degrees high-torque rotary power, this scrubber is engineered to deep clean surfaces like tile grout, corners, and crevices effortlessly. Gone are the days of straining your back and wrists with manual scrubbing. This tool does the heavy lifting for you. One of the standout features of the HOTO Wand is its impressive Good Housekeeping Cleaning Awards win for 2026. This accolade wasn't just handed out lightly. It signifies that this scrubber was rigorously tested by experts for performance, durability, and value. Having the Good Housekeeping seal means you can trust that this product lives up to its promises. Another remarkable feature is the variety of brush heads that come with the scrubber. The HOTO Wand includes 12 replaceable brush heads, which allows you to tackle a wide range of surfaces, from sinks and bathtubs to tile grout and even wheel hubs. With magnetic connections, switching between brush heads is quick and easy, ensuring you can adapt to whatever cleaning task lies ahead. Powering this tool is a robust 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering you an impressive runtime of 210 minutes at 170 revolutions per minute and 180 minutes at 250 revolutions per minute. No more worrying about replacing batteries or running out of power midway through a cleaning session. Speaking of power, the torque on this scrubber is significant, providing strong performance even on the most stubborn stains. The intelligent dual-speed control lets you choose between a gentler 170 revolutions per minute for delicate surfaces and a more intensive 250 revolutions per minute for those tough jobs. And if you're worried about water damage, the HOTO Wand has you covered with its IPX7 waterproof rating. This means it can be fully submerged in water up to 3 feet deep for 30 minutes. It's perfect for scrubbing dirt in wet environments, making it a great companion for cleaning bathrooms or even for outdoor tasks. So, who is this product suitable for? The HOTO Wand is ideal for homeowners, busy parents, or anyone who wants to make their cleaning routine more efficient. If you find yourself struggling with hard-to-reach areas or stubborn grime, this scrubber can save you time and energy. It's also great for anyone who appreciates ergonomic design. Its 33.5 degrees angle minimizes fatigue during prolonged cleaning sessions, and the intuitive one-button control makes it user-friendly for everyone. Practical use cases are abundant. Imagine tackling those dingy grout lines in your bathroom with ease, or quickly refreshing your kitchen sink and countertops. You could also use it to clean your car's wheels or tackle outdoor furniture, virtually any surface that requires a good scrub. To summarize, the HOTO Wand cordless electric spin scrubber combines powerful cleaning capabilities with versatility and ease of use. It's a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning tasks without compromising on performance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.